Hello internet world, and welcome to a new video on the Geekanoids channel. In today's video we're going to do an unboxing and take a first look at the Blink XT2. This is a full HD security camera that works both indoors or outdoors. Let's start by taking a look at what you get inside the box. So let's start by taking the plastic covering off. So the contents of the box is very nicely presented. We've got the two cameras. And these can be mounted obviously indoors or outdoors. We also get some screws for mounting the cameras. Some wall mounting brackets, one for each of the cameras supplied. And then we also get batteries for each camera, and they both run off of two AA's. Inside this top section we get a quick setup guide, which is going to guide us through getting everything up and running. We also get a little thank you card on how to get in touch with support, and then we also get a security sticker which we're going to display on our window. And we've also got some sort of wireless hub in the box as well. We have a UK USB power adapter, also a European power adapter as well, and then last but not least a full-size USB to micro USB cable. So the Blink XT2 comes in various kit forms. The one I've got here happens to be a 2-camera system. It's extremely easy to install, and you can mount these either indoors or outdoors. It offers up the likes of two-way audio, up to a 2-year battery life, day and night full HD video coverage with no monthly contracts. There's also customisable motion detection, and it works with the likes of Amazon Alexa. So this is the Blink XT2 wireless security camera system. And as I mentioned earlier, you can get various kits with different numbers of cameras inside. This was extremely easy to set up. Everything went very smoothly, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. I also am pretty sure you won't be disappointed with the video footage as well. It offers up full HD, nicely coloured, really good detailed video at both daytime and nighttime, and for that reason I think you should check it out. I've left links to where you can pick up the Blink XT2 down in the video description area. If you've got any questions or comments, please do pop them in the comments section below, and if you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.